Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Generative AI series. Okay, so in the last video, right, I gave some requirement specification. From the requirement specification, we created some scenarios: positive scenario, negative scenario, alternate scenario, and exceptional scenario for a requirement for an like make my trip, right, like searching hotels and booking a hotel and canceling the ticket. Okay, so for that we created some manual scenarios with the help of Gen AI and Gemini AI tool, right, we created. Okay, so in this video we'll see how to create a test plan. Okay, so you all know, right, what is a test plan? Test plan is nothing but a test schedule, right? Before writing, going to the test design phase, right? In test plan phase, we need to plan the right how we are going to do the testing. Okay, so for that, in real time world, right? They are going to prepare a test plan document in many companies, right? Um, and after that they are going to write a test case and scenario. Okay, so through ChatGPT and Gemini, how we can generate a test plan with a given requirement specification. Okay, that is what we are going to see now. Okay, so what I'll do is, right, I'll just copy the same requirement specification, slightly modify it. Okay, so instead of write manual scenarios, I'll give test plan. Okay, test plan for make my trip application. Okay, uh, for the test plan for make my trip application for the below requirement specification. So I'm asking the AI to generate a test plan for make my trip application for the below requirement specification. Okay, so the same requirement specification, I'm going to generate a test plan. Okay, so I just click it. So it's a prompt is very important. The keywords, the exact, the phrases, what phrases we are going to give, that is what is very important here. Okay, so it's going to create a test plan for make my trip. It's going to prepare an objective. Okay, and the scope what you are going to cover. Okay, and test approach, as I told in the requirement specification, all these things should be covered. For example, functional, UI, performance, security, and compatibility, as we gave in the requirement specification. It's going to follow this all this approach during our creating a test plan. And what are the modules are covered, as I gave, right? Hotel search, hotel booking, flight booking, and cancellation. So as I gave in the requirement specification, it generated, right, the modules which we are going to cover in our scope. Okay, next one is, I told please cover mobile app testing also. So it took, right, the scenario for mobile app testing also. Compatibility, what are the browsers we can test, it took. Okay, and performance testing also, security testing also, right, it covered everything. Okay, so right, while preparing this test plan. Next one is test environment, right? What are the hardware and software? What are the deliverables? What are the reports you have to submit at the end of your testing? Okay, and what are the risks it'll you might occur during our testing, and what are the solutions for that mitigation? Right? What are the solutions for that? And conclusion, like that, it prepared a test plan, so it makes our work very easy, right? This what you'll do is, right, we'll copy it. Okay, I'll create a new document. So you can generate it and you can rework it. Okay, so like that we can prepare a test plan document. Okay, so one minute. So we can, like that we can prepare a test plan document, right? It makes our work very easy here. Okay, so so just after that we can rework it. Okay, we can rephrase the sentence, so like that. So AI helps in preparing a test plan document, right, so that it makes make work a very easy way. Okay, same thing we can try for with Gemini also. Okay, I'll copy the same thing. Okay, and I will paste in this AI also. Okay, Gemini, right? and paste it. So it prepares a test plan document also. Okay, so you can use a lot of tools, right? This is commonly used tools, but a lot of tools are there in market so that you can use it. Okay, so you see it prepared a test plan document. You can also prepare a test strategy document also. Okay, so here this is how we can generate test plans with the help of the generative AI. Okay, so suppose, right, I want to we using this test plan, I want to form test case using the above test plan. So for example, using the above test plan, generate test cases. So if I give, what happens? So using the test plan, it's start preparing some test cases with a uh, a template. Okay, so it creates start creating a test cases based on the requirement specification, the test plan which we already gave here. Okay, so for each every module, it's going to prepare write a hotel search and a flight search, and the next module is hotel and flight booking. It's going to prepare positive scenarios and negative scenarios, right? So it's right, hotel book successfully is a positive, hotel book a hotel with invalid payment details is a negative one. Okay, so it's going to prepare as I told you, for mobile app, for performance, security, cross browser. It's going to generate test cases for all the right, based on the test plan. It generated few test cases. Like that, you can follow the software testing life cycle and prepare all the deliverables with the help of AI. So this makes our work very easy, right, and time, right. It less consumes less time. That is also a beautiful thing, right, in AI. Okay, for example, I have a template here. Okay, so I can copy and paste here. For example, right, module id, hotel flight search, right? So scenario id, right? So I just copy it and just paste the scenarios ts001. Okay, and module is this one, hotel flight search, right? Then I can go here, test case id tc01. I'll just copy and paste, right? Makes our work easy. Okay, and right, I'll go test steps, right? So I have a test steps here. I'll just copy it. Okay, here is the test steps, right? I'll just copy it, right, and paste it. So right, so you got the test steps here. Okay, so this is how, right, with the help of generative AI, we can form this. Okay, and the description, this is a description. And we can write user one settings also. Test parameter is nothing but test data. Okay, so this one. Okay, and we can make the alignment work. Okay, so this is how, right, we can right, do use the help of AI. We can generate the test cases and add to our right, either we add it in our tool or we add it in our excel sheet based on the flow which we follow. Okay, so on the expected result. So like that, we can write generate test cases, right, with the help of, right, okay. So like that, we can add all the test cases in our excel sheet or in our right, in our tool like Azure apps or TFS, right, Jira, right, we can add it. Okay, so like that, we can add all the test cases so that it makes our work very very easy. Okay, so and you can refresh, add more test cases manually also. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye. Meet you soon in the next part of video.